Okay, first one of the day, new client with his Yamaha MT01. This is going in for a trot, full works valid. It has been sitting around for some time, so he wants us to see if we can bring it back to life, get all these edges polished up, do something with all this motor. Unfortunately, it's got some powder coating which has gone a bit ski-whiff. Can't do anything with that, but we'll get some XCP on it afterwards. We'll get all this exhaust all minted up, all your collector box under there. Get all this splattered chain lube off. What on earth is that all about? It is everywhere but the chain, so we'll get that chain all cleaned up, all that old crap off of there. Get it re-lubed up, get these discs cleaned up. Oh my God, look at the inside of that disc. We got our work cut out for us with this one. He's going for a full works valet, which will include a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, and then we'll seal it with the Ultimaxx ceramic. Let's get cracking. We got our work cut out for us on this one. Wish me luck. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This Yamaha MT01 has been fully trotted and looking pretty freaking sweet. What a transformation. This has had one of our legendary full works valets, which includes a 3-stage machine polish on all the bodywork. Managed to remove some scratches out of this front mudguard. We then treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. All the engines had the XCP corrosion protection. All your discs have been thoroughly cleaned, touched up a load of rusty bits and pieces, hand polished all the edge of the wheels. All these discs, I polished the edge, got all the paint that was flaking off. Like I said, we hand polished all these wheels. All your nuts and bolts that were rusty have all been touched up. Hand polished all this exhaust up. Mirror polished up the levers. Look at that, they've come up like chrome. We then prepped it and treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramics. This thing is minted, 3 hours on the dot, just as it starts pissing down with rain.